Are you ready to discover the top 5 legitimate ways to make money online? Get ready for some exciting opportunities that could change your life. From online surveys to freelance writing, we'll explore various options to help you earn extra income. No more wasting time on get-rich-quick schemes or shady websites. Real opportunities that actually work. Imagine making money from the comfort of your own home, with just a few hours of work each day. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, we have something for everyone. Learn the secrets that successful online entrepreneurs use to generate a 6-figure income. Let's make money online together. You don't need any prior experience or special skills. All you need is hard work and dedication. Join our community today and start your journey towards financial freedom. Smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to never miss a video. Stay tuned for more updates.